Hello everyone, this is Abhishek from Gleeve Motors, and today I am here to showcase our latest product, which is Protos VMX. So as you can see, the product is in front of you. You can call it big brother of Protos, since it has got bigger tires and overall size is bigger than Protos, and also it has got a bigger battery. So let's start what's there in this product. So starting with the construction, so this product has been constructed using aircraft grade aluminum. So overall weight of this product is about 24 kgs without the seat, and as you can see, these handlebars are foldable and you can also adjust the height. Apart from this, this can be folded into a very compact shape. Now coming from top to bottom, this is called the deck, and this deck is about 27 inches long and width is about 10 inches, and talking about the ground clearance, it is about 6 inches. Now if we look at the front tires, we have given hydraulic kind of suspension in the front, and these are tubeless tires, 10 inch inside, and similarly at the rear, these tires are also pneumatic and 10 inch in size. Now talking about the braking, these both tires have disc brakes, both at front and rear. Now these are mechanical disc brakes, not hydraulic ones, so these are easy to maintain and you won't face too much problem with it. Now talking about the lights, so we have given a headlight. Apart from this, you will also find, same as Protos, two deck lights on the sides. Similarly at the rear also you can see these are two deck lights. There is a tail light, and apart from this we have also got indicators, as you can see there. Both on the rear side we have indicators. Now talking about the power, so this product is powered by a 48 volt powertrain. So this motor is 250 watts 48 volt, so it has got ample amount of torque, so you can easily use this even in hilly areas. So doesn't matter how steep the incline is, this product is going to climb it easily. So that is one of the best part of this scooter. And apart from all the features that we have given in Protos, the smaller one, so this has got a remote also. This is a remote of this scooter, so you can either use the ignition key to turn it on and off, or you can just use these power buttons. Right now it is unlocked. I will press the power button twice and it will turn on. Now it has also got anti-theft alarm. So what happens, suppose you have locked this scooter, now someone if it tries to move your scooter, so as you can see, alarm will start ringing, and also there will be a resistance in the motor. So this is an anti-theft measure that has been given in this scooter. Now talking about the electronic features, so it has got cruise control. So ride at a speed of constant speed of some, like say if you are riding at 20 kilometers per hour for 6 seconds, the cruise control will turn on. Apart from this, it has got a top speed of 25, though it can do lot more than that, but due to regulations we have capped the speed at 25 kilometers per hour. If unlocked, it can do about 55 kilometers per hour. And talking about the range, so it has got a range of 75 kilometers. This is what we claim, and in fact we have got more range than this. Few of our tests has shown a range of about 78 kilometers, so you will easily get 75 kilometers, that's for sure. Now this has got 3 speed modes. This has got cruise control, this has got electronic braking, dual disc brakes. Apart from electronic braking, you can also limit the power, and this is the throttle, the finger throttle that you see on Protos. This is also the same but works on 48 volt system. And so that's pretty much about the product. If you have any questions, you can definitely write in the comment section. There we will answer your questions. And these products are available for delivery pan India, so you can book these scooters on our website www.gleevemotors.com, and then we can take it forward. And these are readily available for dispatch. There isn't a waiting time of more than 10 days, so these are readily available. And also you can contact us on WhatsApp at 98719 32953. So these contact numbers will be given in the comment section, also in the description. From there you can also get the number. So talking about the price, I am shooting this video on 14th of July 2024. So at this moment the retail price without the seat is 62,999, and with seat it is 65,999. And if you want other tutorials also related to Protos, our 8-inch model, you can also check out our channel, and we will also upload more videos regarding this. So that's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video, and please share this video if you think this product will be useful for people like you or your friends. So thank you for watching.